హలో ఎవ్రీవన్. పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 22 మనకు స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ టాపిక్ నుంచి ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఫ్రేమ్ చేస్తున్నాడు. లెట్ us see this question. Yes, to find the mean deviation about the mean, first it is required to find mean, and we know that mean is denoted by x bar equal to summation fi xi by summation fi. Next, deviation, that is absolute deviations are also required, so that here I am going to mention absolute deviations. Absolute deviations formula xi minus x bar along with modulus sign. Next, we need to write mean deviation formula, and you know that mean deviation is defined by summation fi mod xi minus x bar whole divided by summation fi. Yes, this is the formula for mean deviation. So now here it is required to write xi fi fi xi and then xi minus x bar, after that fi multiplied with xi minus x bar, right? So I am going to develop a tabular form. In the tabular form you need to write xi and then fi, after that fi xi. Next it is required to write deviations, so mod xi minus x bar column and then fi multiplied by xi minus x bar column. Yes. Now xi values I am going to write 2, corresponding fi 6, 2 6, 5 8, 7 10, 8 6, 10 8, 35 2. Next, fi xi values I am going to write. This is 12, 2 into 6. Next, 5 into 8, 40, 70, 48, it is 80, and this is 70. Yes, here I am going to mention summation fi value, and here summation fi xi value. Adding all these, 8 plus 2 10, 20, 20 30 40, total 40. Next, sum of all these, 8 plus 2 10, 320 it is. This is summation fi xi value. Now mean x bar become summation fi xi value, you have 320 divided by 40, implies what we get, mean x bar equal to 8. Next, you need to find absolute deviations. Absolute deviations is denoted by modulus of xi minus mean. Xi minus mean for each and every term I am going to calculate now. That is, here first entry 2, so first one 2 minus 8, second one 5 minus 8, and then 7 minus 8, after that 8 minus 8, next 10 minus 8, last one 35 minus 8. These are absolute deviations. This is 6 and 3, 1 0 2. Next, 35 minus 5 implies 30, one more 3, 27 it is. Yes, here I am going to mention 6, 3, 1, 0, 2, 27. Next, I am going to calculate Fi xi minus mean, product of Fi and xi minus mean, 6 into 6, here it is 36. Next, 8 into 3, that is 24. Next, 10 into 1, 10. After that, 0. Next, 16. And then 27 into 2, it is 54. Now here, summation Fi xi minus x bar is required. Now you have to add all these. Yes, on addition, what we get observed? 36, 24, 60, 60, 10, 70, 70, next here 70, that is 140. Now, mean deviation I am going to write. You know that summation Fi xi minus mean value 140. Now this is 140 divided by, what is summation Fi? Summation Fi is 40. So that on simplification, 14 divided by 4, that is 7 divided by 2. Finally, we get 3.5 is required answer. This is mean deviation about the mean of the following data. See this question. Find the mean deviation about mean for the following continuous distribution. Class intervals and their frequencies are given. Yes. Again, it is required to find first mean, after that absolute deviations, and then go for mean deviation. So mean formula, mean written as denoted by x bar, that is equal to summation Fi xi by summation Fi. Next, mean deviation formula I am going to write here. Mean deviation about mean. Here the formula summation Fi absolute value of xi minus mean divided by summation Fi. So here, to find mean deviation about mean, it is required first mean. In mean you have frequencies and variables, but in the question you have class interval and frequency. Frequency you have, here it is enough to find first xi. Xi clearly mid value of class interval. So that develop tabular form, given class interval and their frequencies. After that, mid value xi I am going to write, and then Fi into xi. After that, Fi into xi minus x bar column. Okay, class interval, first one 0 to 10, and here frequency f, phi is given, mid value xi, that is also phi, its product 25. Next class interval 10 to 20, in which given that frequency 8, mid value 15, and Fi xi value become 120. Next interval 20 to 30 is there, in which frequency is given by 15, mid value that is 25. Next 25 into 15, that is 325, 375. Yes, next interval 30 to 40. Interval 30 to 40, given frequency 16, mid value here it is 35. Now 35 into 16, 35 into 16 value, 35 multiplied by 16, yes, that become 560. Okay, next last interval you have 40 to 50, frequency given in the tabular form 6, here mid value or xi, that is 45. Now 45 into 6, 270 it is. Yes. Next, it is required to find summation fi xi and summation fi. Sum of frequencies, sum of fi xi values. Summation fi here, summation fi xi here. Sum of frequencies, observe 5 plus 8 plus 15 plus 16 plus 6. 15 5 30, and here it is 22, 52 and 42, and 15 plus 5 20, 20, and here 22 plus 8 30, it become 50. Okay, summation fi value 50. Next, summation fi xi value. Summation fi xi value here, sum of all these, what we get? 5 5 0. Next 5, yes, 1350 we get. Now I can write here summation fi xi value 1350 divided by 50, 0 0 cancel, 135 divided by 5, that is 27 is mean of the data. Next, fi xi minus mean. Here I am going to write absolute deviations. Absolute deviations are using the formula modulus xi minus mean. We get here xi value 5 minus 27, first one. Next, 15 minus 27, 25 minus 27, 35 minus 27, and after that 45 minus 27. Yes, this is 22. Next, 15 minus 27, that is modulus you have 12. 25 minus 27, it is 2. Next, 8, and then 18. Now these absolute deviations multiplied by their corresponding frequencies implies 22 into 5, this is 110. Next, 12 multiplied by 8, that is 96. 2 multiplied by corresponding frequency 15, that become 30. Next, 8 multiplied by 16, 128. Next, 18 multiplied by 6, 18 here, 18 multiplied by 6, that is 108. Now sum of all these, summation fi modulus xi minus x bar equal to 110 plus 96, 206, 236, 236, next 128, 108, that is 236, 236, 236, 472, yes, we get 472 here. Now substitute in this, it become 472 divided by 50. 50 into 9, 450, 22, 4. So 9.44 approximately. Yes, this is mean deviation about mean of this continuous distribution.